and welcome to today's Speaky Card reading. Today's topic is the compliments you unknowingly receive from others these days. For that, as usual, we have three piles: pile number one, pile number two, and pile number three. Guys, if you like my content, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Your each and every like, share, subscription makes a ton of difference to me. Now let's get started. Hello, pile one. Let's see compliments you unknowingly receive from others these days. What are those? Okay, the first one is changes in your life. So I'm getting a lot of you are going through some major life changing events, and that is changing your own attitude, your own persona. And that is something that people are noticing. So let's see what the compliment is. Opportunities are waiting for you. The door. Literally, what I'm saying is, you guys have become great at creating opportunities. Even in the changing time, a lot of you have been through negative changes as well. I'm hearing, like, loss of job, loss of house, that kind of a scenario. But you guys, a lot of you actually had difficult situation where you felt that the basic things are not, you're not receiving the basic things that people get. But newer better opportunities came your way, and you guys are people who can literally, who are so capable of creating new opportunities for their own selves. You are extremely capable about, like, raising your own living standards, improving your own social status. You are a very capable person. That's the compliment you receive. Fox, shrewdness and resourcefulness, especially in business. The compliments are, of course, you are a very good business person. You are very resourceful. You're also very shrewd when it comes to your business. So you are very naturally blessed in business. A lot of you lost your job, and say, for example, you started a YouTube channel, but you guys went for viral topics and your channel got monetized in 15 days, and then you started earning more than what you were making in your day job. So that kind of a transition, I can see that the compliments you're getting is, this is a person who is very resourceful, somebody regarding their work. They are so shrewd, so determined. You have a very good business mind about you. That's the compliment. Stepping into a new experience. A lot of you are getting into some new venture for sure. A lot of you starting a new job. Some of you for a new business. Something new, something fresh. I'm getting a lot of fresh energy, and you guys are succeeding pretty easily. You guys are succeeding it at that as well. That is what I'm getting. Like, you guys are, the compliments are, you guys are succeeding at what you're doing with your life. Stork, news of a birth or a new business opportunity. Absolutely. I love this kind of connected messages, guys. A lot of you could also be embracing parenthood, but mostly I'm seeing you guys are getting into a new business venture, and that is also succeeding pretty fast. You guys are, like, you know what, you have struggled and you have failed earlier, and you have used all of your lessons in your new business venture, and that is giving it a lot of early success which you couldn't have earlier. That's something that I'm seeing, and people are complimenting you on your resourcefulness, and also in your shrewdness. Like, you're a very smart person, somebody who is a great strategist, have a big vision for themselves. Tower, solid foundation and success with effort. Literally, I'm seeing you guys, a lot of you changes that you went through were the tower moments, but after it went away, you created your own tower of success, but with your own hard work, determination. The solid foundation that you laid on ground were based on your own hard work, your determination, and your belief system. You're very hard headed, very driven for success, and that is the compliment that people unknowingly you receive from others. Key successful outcome to your problems. Literally, I'm seeing you are one of those people who is like, you are very good at problem solving. You guys got into trouble and pulled yourself out of that muddy water as well. What I'm seeing is you guys are very good problem solvers. Also, it's a natural ability. That's the compliment. Also, what I'm seeing is you guys have a very smart and calm head over your shoulders. You're very calculating. You know exactly, like, what people compliment you on is how calmly you can steer clear and navigate through the shark infested water. How well a planner you are. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please, please, please hit the like button, subscribe and share. Guys, your support would mean the world to me. Literally, it makes such a difference to my life. Your each and every compliment, your each and every comment makes such a difference. So if you like my content, please support my channel. Thank you. Namaste. Right. Pay attention to your health. You guys have become way more health wise. I'm seeing a lot of you clearly used to be overweight or didn't take great care of your own health. But now I'm seeing some of you or somebody in your family went through some major health scare which made you way more aware, and you guys have now become meticulous about your health and fitness. That is something that is coming through that, and people are complimenting you for that, because you have become a person who knows exactly what they want out of their life. You know exactly how important your own life is to yourself, and accordingly you have started behaving, and people compliment you on that, of course. Elephant, a long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you have been through a massive journey. You guys have been through, like, starting your own business and like establishing it. It is a journey in itself. It teaches us a lot of things, and you guys got wiser in the process. Even you have failed earlier. So what I'm saying is you guys have grown in that current situation of yours, and people compliment you on that. Instead of sitting there complaining, crying, grieving, you chose to grow wiser. Wisdom is one thing that will stay with you for the rest of your life. Next, an emotionally secure, loving family is important to you. What I'm hearing is people compliment you on the fact that you are a very, very family oriented person. In spite of having all the success that you have had today, people still compliment you how well you treat your family members, how well you treat your near and dear ones. You are that 3M friend for a lot of people who totally tend to bank on you. You will receive a gift. I'm seeing you guys are receiving the gift. I'm seeing you are one of those people who are totally, like, you guys are getting the rewards of your success, and people are also acknowledging that this is a person who has worked so hard to reach wherever they have today. Eight of Cups, if your life feels stale, explore new sceneries. Literally, what I'm seeing is you are a person who is like, you are very good at exploring. Like, you are one of those thrill seekers, one of those like dopamine. Like, you tend to, literally, you are driven by dopamine. You are one of those people who are adventure seeking type. You always need some new better ideas in your life, and that is something I can see in you. You guys have really, Like, the compliments you receive is, this is a very daring person, somebody who has so much courage to embrace the novelty of a situation. You embrace new things, and you, because you genuinely feel you only live once, so let's just live it to the fullest. Hierophant. Tradition is important, but it doesn't have to be everything. Literally, what I'm saying is, a lot of you are very out of the box thinkers. A lot of you could be teachers, but very out of the box. Like, you would take your students more on field trips rather than being bound on the within the four walls of the classroom. You are that kind of a teacher, very out of the box thinker. A lot of you have actually gotten your business up on its feet because of your out of the box thinking. You literally reversed engineered a lot of things, and that's why things fail in place pretty fast, pretty early for you. And that is something that is like really encouraging. The magician, the infinite potential. People literally feel that you have got an infinite potential about yourself. You are the alchemist of your own destiny. You guys remember, the magician has the air, water, fire, and earth, all the four elements of nature, in order to make something awesome for their own selves. And that is exactly what you have done with your life. You have created your own life with your own magic manifestation power, and people compliment you on your awesome manifestation power as well. Queen of Pentacles. Wow. Yes, exactly. You come across as a very confident, strong, determined, driven kind of a person. A lot of king and queen energies about you. There is no need to sacrifice. You can have it all. You are a firm believer of this, that you can achieve anything you put your mind to. That's it. You are a person who is capable of achieving everything that they put their mind to. Queen of Swords, you are a person who knows, like, how hard you have worked to reach wherever you have. Nothing was served on a platter, so that made you way wise, cunning, and you can see right through people's facade. You are a very good judge of human character for sure. And you know how to judge people who the manipulators are. I'm saying you also are. People actually compliment you on the fact that you are a very good mentor figure, because you, like, show your pupils the practical way out of the problem, not just philosophical. And there is nothing wrong with that. It's just you are a more cutthroat practical person. A lot of Capricorn, Virgo, a lot of Aquarius because of the out of the box thinking. I'm getting a lot of Sagittarius, Capricorn, Taurus, Leo, this kind of people in general. Cappy, a lot of Capricorn I can see. Be ambitious, chase your every dream. Literally, you have become way more ambitious than before. I'm seeing you and your ambition. Like, even when you were failing, you were extremely ambitious and positive and confident about your own abilities. And that is something that a lot of people compliment you on, anyways. That this is a person who is very ambitious and extremely optimistic. Live in a constant state of gratitude. You are somebody who is extremely grateful for their surroundings. You live with an attitude of gratitude. That's what I can see. Like, your natural attitude is that of gratitude. And I'm seeing people really appreciating that. People really, like, this person, people would say that in spite of going through so much, they still are grateful for what they have. Three of Wands, you are a person. A lot of you guys have come a long distance in life. Also, what I'm saying is, a lot of you came to a new country, new state, in order to pursue your new education, higher education, or your own job, away from your own country, own people, and had to restart life. That is very difficult. But you guys did it nonetheless. You guys have done it. Temperance, let go of self imposed limitations. You are a person who has a lot of self imposed limitations about them. You know what the self imposed, like you always, maybe somebody told you, oh, you won't be able to do that. That requires so much of capability. And you would be like, oh my goodness, that's really not meant for me. But today, if somebody tells you that, that's for only those kind of people, you'll be like, okay, fine, I respect your opinion, but that's your opinion. Let me just try it out and let me see where how far I can go. So that self-imposed limitations, self-limiting belief system is something that you have worked on. It has not gone, but it has been reduced, and people compliment you for that. You come across as somebody who is very ambitious. Absolutely. Ambition reigns. That is what I can see in you. Three of Wands. Put yourself out there and you will be rewarded one way or the other. Literally, you have started pushing yourself out of the comfort zone. A lot of you are actually on social media and you're putting yourself out there, either on social media or on the internet. Maybe you could be having your own website. You could be putting out your own digital downloads to some kind of products that you sell online, or services that you sell online, and things have started looking way better than it did earlier in your job. That's something people are complimenting you on as well. Seven of Swords, you have become way more calculating. See, this guy, you have started looking at life like a chess game. For you, life is like a chess game. Let me repeat, life is a chess game. You believe in waiting for your turns in order to face your adversaries. This guy knows there are three people, he can't face them head on. That's why he's hiding with his ammunitions. For you, you are also a very patient person who would wait for the, also very cunning and shrewd for the business purpose. Especially, you are equally nice and kind to your own people, but regarding business, you are a very shrewd business person. Or work. Four of Wands, family is whoever makes you feel the most safe and comfortable being you. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you are like, with your family, you make them feel so comfortable. You do not make them feel that they will have to thank you enough or something. A lot of you probably also volunteer at like child and mother shelters, those kind of places, because you try to make others share your gifts, your talents, your wealth with others, your abundance with others as well, because you have been blessed. There was a time you didn't have all of this and you struggled. Today you try to reach out to those people who are struggling. You are extremely justice driven. A lot of you could be into the legal system, advocate, paralegal, or law enforcement officers like police officers, but also you are one of those people, excuse me, who has the guts to stand up and speak out for all the discriminatory things that happen around you. True success isn't just about money, it's about happiness too. Exactly. I'm seeing for a lot of you, just being able to put on the television, just an old fashioned way, reading your favorite newspaper and sipping on a cup of tea in peace and quiet is the definition of happiness for you, for a lot of you. And that is something I can feel is like something that you get a lot of compliments on, because you are a very out of the box thinker. That is like, for you, the definitions of success are completely different. The definition of success and accomplishments are completely different. You are very, very good with kids. A lot of you, if you are parents, you are a fantastic parent and people compliment you on that. You unknowingly get those because you are naturally very good with kids. Or your friends and families who have kids, they tend to perk them with you because they know they will be well taken care of, well fed, etc. You're also getting compliments on your money management skills. You're very good with money. Some people will call you stingy, but nonetheless, you guys basically do not believe in flushing your hard earned money down the toilet. And that is something that gets reflected in your investments, the way in which you invest, the way in which you do other stuff. That is something is reflected there. The world, yay, you did it. Now do something to celebrate a job well done. I'm seeing you are one of those people who are celebrating life. You guys are entering a happy life. You have become way more visible because, once you start glowing, once you are succeeding, people start noticing you a lot more. That is exactly what is happening in your case. You are the star. You're getting a lot of attention. You are getting a lot of limelight from others for sure. Hold your vision. You are a visionary. What I'm seeing is you are one of those people who's a great strategist. You are absolutely driven. You are absolutely focused about your visions. You know where you want to see yourself with your business, especially at like 3 years, 5 years, 10 years down the line. And that is something that you get a lot of compliments on. Like, this is a person who knows how to plan. You're a very good planner. Tiger, you are being called upon to provide leadership, so trust that you are capable of doing so. You are a natural leader. There is nothing to explain, right? You and your leadership capabilities are things that people compliment you on. You are a very resourceful person. A camel is very, very resourceful. You can survive in the toughest of situations. You have been through a lot of tough situations which most people wouldn't have survived, couldn't have survived, but you did. A fiery climax approaches. Aries can be significant for a lot of you. What I'm saying is you guys are literally blowing up. If it's on internet, you could be blowing up on internet, or even locally, you guys are getting a lot of recognition. Like literally you're about to do so and people are talking about it. People are saying, oh god, this person is doing so well for themselves, they are definitely gonna do this and this. That kind of a scenario I'm seeing. Leo can be significant for a lot of you. Confidence is your key to success. I'm seeing, you know what, you are a very confident person, extremely confident, and it's this confidence that keeps you going. It's this confidence that made you push ahead even during your darker days, and that is something that people compliment you on, that this is a person who believed in themselves even during their darkest days. Yeah, Libra can be significant for a lot of you. A win-win outcome is the forecast. People look at you as a winner in life already. That's what I'm seeing. Like, people see you as a winner already. Take control of your own narrative. You are a person who cannot be controlled by others. Literally, you cannot be made into a puppet by others, and people realize that. People realize how independent, how assertive you are. That is something people also compliment you on, that you are not anybody's person. You are very much your own person. Do not doubt your worth. I'm always enough. Literally, you guys are more than enough for yourself. And that sense of self, that sense of self belief, self respect is something that draws a lot of compliment for you. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Guys, your each and every subscription, like, comments matter so much to me. So, thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile two. Let's see the compliments that you unknowingly receive from others these days. Clearly, the owl. Good advice from a wise person. What I'm seeing is the compliments you receive is you are a very wise person. You're very good at giving advices. A lot of you could be life coaches, a lot of you could be mentors, therapists, counselors, because you tend to always give very wise advice to others. Caterpillar, things will not always be this way. A change is coming. Literally, I'm seeing that you guys are on the verge of getting like leveling up in life, and people are noticing that the way in which your body language has changed. People are noticing that change, that this person is getting better with their life and they are leveling up, they are going up. I'm seeing you are extremely, right off the bat, people compliment you on the fact that you are a very wise, empathetic, compassionate person, but your sense of boundaries are also very strong. What that means is wisdom and empathy all at the same time, meaning that you are a person who is very empathetic and compassionate, and you just do not let, like, you are somebody who do not let others cross past your boundaries, trespass your boundaries, bulldoze your boundaries, if that's something you understand. You are empathetic, but you are not a doormat. That's the thing. And that is something, you are very giving in nature, but not a doormat. Spiritual guidance, protection from harm. You are somebody who is really guided by the spirit guides, by the angels and spirit guides. You are very divinely blessed and divinely protected. That's the compliment. This person is naturally very divinely guided. They can do no harm, that kind of a thing. So handshake, a meeting with a stranger could be important for a lot of you. I'm seeing, you found your soul family in strangers rather than your own blood family. A lot of you consider strangers as a part of your own family, because some of you, you go out on a stroll, you meet somebody, you randomly start talking to them, you guys come up with a business idea that clicks and your life changes. That kind of a scenario could also be happening for a lot of you. Teapot, deep friendship with someone of the same sex. Literally, a lot of you guys, okay, some of you could be like, if you are a female, a lot of you could be having a few female friends who get together and form some business ideas for females, run by ladies, perceived and learned, run by ladies only. Those kind of scenario, I'm just giving an example. You guys creating a business venture for your own self and for others, which will uplift a lot of women as well. So that kind of a scenario, I'm just giving an example. A lot of you could also be running something like with your same gender people, something where you help others who are in it. This hand holding also is telling me like you guys try to help others, uplift others, and uplift yourself in the process, kind of a thing, with other people of your same gender. Happiness and well-being, you guys are getting compliments on, like, you have a very happy, bright, uplifting aura about you. The moment you enter the room, there is an uplift sense of upliftment about you, and people compliment you on that as well. And I'm seeing that people complimenting you on the fact that you have a very uplifting aura about you. Feather, someone you know is undependable and insecure. Literally, I'm seeing you have been through some real narcissistic, toxic scenario. You know what? Our own suffering is the thing that makes us most compassionate and empathetic, least judgmental. You guys have, like, you have made a lot of people as your friends today who were never a part of your family, because a lot of you faced a lot of toxicity from your own family members and were forced to move away from them. Take care, enemies are working against you. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you people, your enemies are working against you. You have got a lot of your enemies working behind your back, trying to pull you down, and people notice that. People compliment, like, wow, oh my goodness, the way in which you handle your enemies, the way in which you handle the impediments like a boss, is something a lot of people would actually compliment you on. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please, please, please hit the like button, subscribe and share. Guys, your each and every like, comment, subscription, they make a complete difference to me. So please, if you like my content, please like, share and subscribe. It tells the algorithm that, you know what, this is useful content. All right. Not unsuccessful plans. Literally, you have been through a lot of like unsuccessful situations, a lot of like your own personal situations I'm seeing were like very unsuccessful. The knots of your own relationships were very chaotic. A lot of you have been through unsuccessful business venture which fail flat on face. I'm literally seeing you guys going through a lot of business ventures and they did not succeed one bit at all. Pale. Time to get out of a situation. Literally, what I'm seeing, a lot of you were stuck in a toxic narcissistic relationship, or in a company where your boss was toxic. The situation, like you had your co-workers from hell and you had to deal with them, and every day you would probably cry before going to office. That kind of a scenario, I'm just giving examples. But you guys turned your back to them at last because you realize that you also have limited time and opportunity. So let me just get out of this situation and do something better for my own self. Claw, be careful, do not take risks. Literally, I'm seeing you are not a risk taker. In the sense, like you only take calculated risks. Today, people compliment you on the fact that you have grown wiser. You went through a lot of adversities. Your boss would only make you work, but wouldn't give you the promotions that you deserve. Your home will not. They will just make you work. They will take your money but will not give you the credit and respect that you deserved. So you took a stand for your own self and worked out and clawed out a separate path for yourself. You have created a separate, better, evolved path for yourself. That, you know what I'm seeing is you have become a better assessor of the risk factor. So you have started taking risks, but risks are calculated risks today. You do not just jump to conclusions these days. Heals, obstacles to overcome. I'm seeing you guys overcame a lot of steep slopes in order to reach the greenery on the other side. You had to go through a lot of steep slopes, lots of obstacles you had to go through. That's what I'm seeing. And people really compliment your persistence, perseverance, and courage, determination, good fortune. You have reached good fortune after you said goodbye to the toxic scenarios and climbed the hillocks. Literally, even going through those toxic scenarios were equivalent to climbing the hills, and then only you reached the greenery, the good fortune scenario. So you persevered a lot. You were very determined, very persistent, and people compliment you on that. Getting together with friends. I'm saying ultimately you are getting together with those people, those friends who mean a lot to you. Archway, new opportunities, possibilities, and paths opening up. Literally, a lot of you have got new paths opening up for you. You are creating your own way, set of opportunities, and pathway for your own self today. Lovers, will you or won't you? The choice is yours. I'm seeing a lot of you could be coming out. Some of you could be from the LGBT community, and you guys are coming out, and people are complimenting your courage. This could be like for a very few people. Also, a lot of you could be into a relationship where you felt that you won't be accepted for whatever the reason might be. The guy, just saying, the guy could be too old for you, your parents might not accept it, those kind of scenarios. But you guys are showing the courage to accept it and to come out in the open and see what happens, like facing the situation, and people are complimenting you on that. You are extremely compassionate, generous, kind of a person, and you get compliments, you receive compliments on your generosity. But generosity with boundaries for you, for sure. Two of Swords, wake up. What is it that you truly want? Literally, I'm seeing you are waking up to your own choices. You are one of those people who always have been a people pleaser growing up. You went to a certain school, your parents wanted, college, degrees, everything someone else wanted. Today, you're doing things that you want for yourself. It's okay to cry. Literally, I'm seeing you guys. There was a time when you felt that I couldn't cry, I can't break down, but today, for you, breaking down is also a sign of strength. It is a sign of strength for you. It is actually a sign of strength. Let me tell you that, my dear pile number two, that it is. You guys have started accepting yourself just the way you are. You guys are not just like being pseudo strong. Rather, at times, you just break down, cry, then again, brush everything off and pick yourself up. That kind of a person, a way stronger person, right? Spill tea isn't the end of the world. Exactly. You know what? Earlier, you, younger self, would literally have, like, feel the end of the world like a small mistake, and you'll feel that's the end of the world. A lot of you actually grew up with a lot of anxiety in toxic family scenarios. But today you have realized that, you know what, I've failed a lot, but I'm still making it. I've made it till here, right? So I'll move on as well. So I need not worry at all. You are a very wise person. You are somebody who has grown wiser day by day. You are a very wise and determined kind of a person. Try not to be so pricky. Wait, okay? So you are a person who is like, the compliments you receive is you are a very non-judgmental person, and you probably teach also others to be more generous and empathetic towards others. Like, at times we tend to judge people without even knowing what their circumstances are. You are not one of those people, my dear pile number two, and people compliment you on that. You're unknowingly, the gestures that you put forth makes a lot of people really, really be pleased with you. You are a very enlightened soul. You are very ahead. You're very enlightened, very awakened, very high vibrational soul in general. Fool, to you are a very, very wise person. Somebody who is like, you have been a fool once. You have been gullible. People have failed you. People have betrayed you. But you guys chose to move forward from there. You guys have literally, now you guys are like, if you make a jump, if you make a decisions, you have not become a risk averse person, but you are a calculated risk taker. You take risks, but they are calculated today. The Hermit card is a person who is literally, I'm seeing a lot of you becoming way less gregarious, way more a loner, because you have become way more introspective. A lot of you have chosen a more meditation and life in quiet contemplation kind of a lifestyle. Some of you have chosen to do work more on your own self. Walking in silence, walking on your own self is like becoming a lone wolf, and walking on your own self is a way of life which literally helps us level up as well. It's not for everybody, very difficult, but that helps you level up. And people are complimenting on the life choices, lifestyle choices that you have made for yourself. Yes, give yourself the compassion you were never given. Literally, I'm seeing you guys are giving yourself that one bit of ice cream that you were not given as a child, if that makes sense. Or maybe you wouldn't give yourself that, oh no, you will go fat, you'll become fat. Don't have it. That kind of a mindset today, you guys have started giving yourself those ice cream, that one dollop of ice cream, that one extra bit of maybe some crazy stuff, crazy fun, because that makes you feel alive. You do whatever makes you feel alive, whatever makes you feel better. You are a fighter. You are a person, people compliment you on the fact that you are a person who never gave up in the face of severe impediments. You are a believer of the fact that if life gets tough, it's only the tough who gets going. When life gets tough, The tough gets going, and you, my dear pile number two, are one of those tougher people who only survive, you thrive in a difficult circumstances. The emperor, you are a person who is like, I'm seeing you as somebody who has gone up. You have a higher stature, a higher status in your life today, but that has come at a lot of cost. That is something you arrived at after paying the price. You had to be way more responsible with your work, with, like, the guy or girl who stands first in the class. They are very mature, they are very responsible, they do all their work way ahead of time. That is something that I can see in you, that you are a very good planner, focused, driven, goal oriented kind of a person, and people compliment you on all of this, and that has given you this higher position in life. It didn't come easy, yes. Just because you're passionate about it doesn't mean it is all effortless. Exactly. You did what you were passionate about, but you worked day and night. You had to work very hard. I love this kind of interconnected messages. You guys work very, very hard. People compliment you on your impeccable work ethics. That's what I'm hearing. King of Wands, shine your inner candlelight bright enough for others to follow. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you are extremely, like, you are very knowledgeable, very scholarly, very erudite, and you have your own, like, you are literally, you use your own inner light in order to guide others. You are like a mentor figure. A lot of you could be teachers, counselors, yeah, these are the things, like teaching, counseling, a psychologist. Those kind of people can be seen through you, and people literally love what you bring on table. People compliment you, how knowledgeable, how deep your wisdom is. Gorilla, take the time to listen compassionately to those you love, especially family members. You're extremely compassionate towards others, towards the have nots, and also towards your family, and people really respect that for you. Be graceful in movement and action. You are also a very graceful person, somebody who very naturally is very dignified, very graceful. You naturally tend to stand out in the crowd. What do you need to release? I'm seeing you guys needed to release everything that was a part of your past that was holding you back. You guys released all of that. Rattlesnake, the experiences that you're presently going through are an initiation into fulfilling your purpose as a healer. I'm seeing a lot of you being a spiritual teacher, a spiritual healer. You guys, your past experiences have taught you to be a spiritual teacher, a spiritual healer for sure. Shed old skin. You guys are somebody who have changed completely. Your demeanor, your everything about you has changed because you guys have shedded everything that was there in your past. Everything about you in your past that you had, everything has changed, and you have changed your colors and demeanor and format into somebody who is completely new and better. Now is the time for deep emotional healing. You are somebody who has healed themselves from their emotional past trauma. Today, people compliment you on the fact that you have been somebody who does not carry the baggage of their past. Your past does not move along with you. You are a free, emancipated person today, which is a big deal, by the way. Music is essential to your healing and well being, whether singing, playing instrument, or listening. I'm seeing you are like craft has played a significant role. Even now, a lot of you could be great singers, dancers, or maybe listening or playing music system, and people complimenting you on that, like how well a player you are. That kind of a situation I can see for a lot of you, and people compliment you on your natural abilities regarding music, and people literally are in awe. Remember to practice self love. Yeah, people compliment you on the fact that you are a natural practitioner of self love. You have realized that if I don't love myself, I can't expect others to love me and respect me, right? Take yourself out on a date. Lone dates are something that you are totally okay with. You are a person who is a person who would literally, you can take your own self out on a lone date and be totally okay. You don't feel lonely. You could be alone, but you do not feel lonely. You have learned to prioritize your own self in the process. All right, guys. I hope you have had some clarity over your situation, guys. If yes, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Guys, your support would mean the world to me. So if you like my content, please support my channel. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile 3. Let's see the compliments you unknowingly receive from others these days. Sunrise, new creative ideas, new ventures, a fresh start. What I'm seeing is you guys have become, like, a lot of you have gotten into something new. Could be getting hitched to starting a business of your own, a venture of your own. But after a stalemate in your life, you are getting to see the sunrise. Remember, the night is at its darkest before the dawn, before the crack of the dawn. Literally, you are that way. You guys are seeing the first sunrise after a long time in your life, after a lot of stalemates in your life, and people are noticing the hard work that you have put in to reach the position that you have reached, and people are complimenting you on that. Lion, time to act. You have become way more driven, way more focused, way more action oriented. You come across as somebody who exudes a lot of power, a lot of strength. There is something very dark and unforgettable about you, very intoxicating about you, very elusive, a borderline witchy about you. And people notice that. People are flabbergasted. People are mesmerized by you. You know how to defend yourself. You come across as a very powerful person. A lot of you could be into martial arts. Some of you could be into the police force or into the judiciary, where you legally know how to defend yourself, or into like somebody who knows how to protect themselves, because you have been through so much in life. Now you have become way more powerful. You evolved in your life. Egg. Success assured with good plans and hard work. Guys, I'm seeing literally you have become so hardworking. A lot of you are embodying, if not, you have like Sun, Moon, Rising, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Scorpio, a lot of Cancer, Librans, yeah, justice driven Librans. So you tend to embody a lot of this as well. If you do not have this like astrological signs, then you could be embodying this as well. I'm seeing, and this is giving you a lot of success. You guys are getting the success after a year, after a period of hard work and determination. Right. Position of authority. Yes, you guys are reaching a position of authority. You guys are shining brightly. Literally, you are resplendent in your own glory. That's what I'm seeing. People are noticing you wherever you go. People are literally trying to latch on to your success. It's a very it's not a very easily found success. It's a very difficult, and after a lot of determination, you have found this success in life. Fire, strong emotion, passionate love or hate. I'm seeing a lot of you have become way more alluring and attractive. You are become very capable of creating a storm in people's mind. You elucidate a lot of emotions which people had not experienced earlier. A lot of you have also become a heartbreaker. I'm seeing a lot of people. You guys are looking really royal and regal, and a lot of people approaching you. You breaking a lot of people's heart for sure. There is a lot of tussle, a lot of argument going on. Like, you are a person who does not take insults from others. You are if somebody mistreats you, you will walk away. People realize that your sense of self has increased so much. Pay attention to your work. Yeah, you have become very much a workaholic. Another thing that is complimenting, like people are complimenting you on, earlier you were more of a procrastinator, but now you have become way more proactive and productive at the same time. You are a relentless workhorse today, and people compliment you on that. Compliments from an admirer, of course. You have got a lot of admirers. I'm seeing for some of you, your eyes a very deep and penetrating gaze, the way in which your hair like surrounds, falls on your face, around your face. Most of you have a curly or wavy, like says something special about your hair, that the way in which you do your hair, the way it falls around your face, that makes people turn their head around and watch you, look at you for the second time. People, you have a lot of admirers who compliment you for the way you look, for the way your vibes are very, like you tend to, you are a very like hardworking person, at the same time very good looking individual. You're very popular. A lot of people are really interested in you. You're very magnetic, charming kind of a persona. So I'm seeing a lot of clingy and obsessive energies around you as well. A wishes granted. You guys, a lot of your wishes are granted. Your wishes are coming true at last. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please hit the like button. Your each and every comment, like, share, subscription, they matter so much to me. They make a huge difference in my life. So if you like my content, it tells the algorithm that you like it. It's significant, so it helps, increase my channel. It helps move my channel ahead. So thank you for your support. Bread, period of prosperity and abundance. I'm seeing you guys are going through a period, like after a stalemate, you have been through a stagnation period in your life. Today you are coming into a happy, abundant, prosperous era, but with your own hard work, with like your ability to push through the darker phases, push through the obstacles, is something that people are complimenting you on. You didn't give up when others were sleeping. You kept on working. When others were like partying, you guys worked. When others were busy doing other stuff, you guys were working, and that is something people compliment you on. Protection from a powerful friend. A lot of you are have well connected friends at higher positions. That shows you guys have leveled up. You have to increase your own status in order to make such friends. Like, so people are complimenting you on the fact that you guys have gone up in life. You have leveled up and have made a lot of powerful friends. Short journey, absolutely. You guys, you have to make a, you're living out of a suitcase kind of a lifestyle. Why? Because now with the promotion, with the raise, with the, like the way in which you are more visible today, you have to make a lot of short distance travel. And people, like, even after that, you are not negative. You do not get tired. You are always enthusiastic about life, and people really appreciate that. Good luck. People literally feel that you're getting lucky at last after a lot of hard work and determination. Yeah, good news. I'm seeing a lot of you guys are getting like some good news, like one good news after the other. First, a promotion, maybe a double promotion, a pay raise, something, the kind of pay raise that you could like never imagine. You hadn't ever imagined in your wildest dreams that you could have so much of pay raise. Maybe a new home, something that you have been waiting for a long time is also coming true. And people are complimenting. People have, like, they are literally noticing so much of success coming your away all at once, and people are complimenting you. That this is a person who has become a real, like from an underachiever to somebody who has become a overachiever, and people are complimenting that efforts to push through in during the difficult times, opportunity or windfall. Wow, wow, like you are coming into luck at last, like your that lady luck is shining down upon you at last. That's what I'm seeing. Both money or property through inheritance, winning or windfall. Okay, that windfall part of money is coming. A lot of you could be getting money through inheritance, maybe lottery for a few, just a few, but inheritance. But I'm seeing mostly it's your hard work creating a lot of windfall of money, and people are noticing that. People are in awe. The father, you embody a lot of, you are very driven, very focused, very self motivated. You are a person who has become a go getter in life. If you put your mind to something, you just get it done. That kind of an energy I'm seeing, and people really compliment this go getter energy about you. You are the siren. As they say, when the siren calls, the world spins. Literally, you are known for your sensuality, but at the same time, you are also a very psychic person. There is an element of spirituality about you as well. And people are not just complimenting you, people are mesmerized. A lot of you are very smart people related to the technology, like STEM subjects or economic stuff like that. Maybe you could be having a creative like bend of mind, but most of you were like very book smart and street smart people who use their intellect and intelligence to climb up the ladder. So you have been very erudite, scholarly, but also you know how to calculate to walk, way up, to work your way up the corporate ladder or otherwise. Like, seriously, you guys have worked your way up with your intelligence. At the same time, your IQ and EQ both are like at tandem. You have views. You have a very vivid imagination and a very active mind, and people compliment you on all of that. Four of Cups, you have been through a phase of disappointment when you felt everything that you wanted were away from you. But what you didn't see is universe was putting two more cups towards you. More opportunities and better opportunities actually opened up after you after you thought that everything was over, and you literally are one of those people who are capable of creating newer, better opportunities for their own selves. That's what I'm seeing. Ace of Wands, you are a very driven person, very passionate about what you do. You're very passionate about living life to the fullest. You believe in living life to the fullest on your own terms. You are a person who knows exactly what your own worth is, and you are not willing to let others dictate that for you. Page of Swords, you're very driven, very goal oriented. A lot of you could be like attracted to the first pile. If so, you could go out and check that. Go ahead and check the first pile as well. You're very driven. Like, you are a person who knows where they wanted to be, who knew what they wanted to be even as a teenager, and have been relentlessly walking towards that target. That kind of a person. A lot of you probably wanted to be a scientist, a techie, and you actually ended up being that because you worked on it right from the beginning. Queen of Cups, you are emotionally a very mature person, very mature, very nurturing, somebody who has been through a lot of suffering, a lot of pain, and that has not closed you off. That had made you realize how difficult life can at times be, and how difficult like people's life are, and you now do not like hesitate to extend your cup of empathy and compassion to others who are in need. You are at a position of status, and you always try to use your power, position, status to help others. That is a compliment. Like, people, like whenever they are in difficulty, they go to you, maybe for a job, maybe for some connections, and you always try to help people to the best of your abilities, and you're known for that. People really, really respect this mindset about you. Okay, Six of Swords, but in reverse. You know, guys, you guys are swimming through really tougher storms. You guys are literally, you guys swam through so much of difficulties in life. You guys went through so much of difficulties but sailed through. You guys did really, really well. Nothing could stop you from achieving. Like, you are a person, why people compliment you is this is a person who is like, no matter how hard the situation is, they end up creating circumstances which are in favor of their own selves. You are also a very wise person. You know, you have, this is the sea of life, and you have dipped your pitcher of experience in the sea of life. And today, you could be a very good mentor figure, a life coach, a guru of some sort, a counselor who could teach, a corporate trainer who could teach others the lessons that you have learned through your life. You're a very, like, you are very competitive. You don't lose easily. You don't give up on your battles easily. You fight till your last breath. That is another mindset that you have, and people really, really appreciate that. People literally, your success story is like a survival guide for those who are literally struggling in life right now. Ace of Pentacles, you are a person who knows, like, for you, you know, you are very good at making money out of nowhere, out of thin air. You can make money because a lot of you grew up in such a situation where you had to contribute in your parents' house. You had to pay for your own expenses from a very early age, and which made you very independent, very self reliant. You started looking for opportunities to earn money, and that came into your life pretty early, and that gave you a lot of confidence. It has made you very adept at creating wealth out of nowhere. You are very good at that. You are a social butterfly. Most of you might not be everybody, or you have a very colorful, quirky, flamboyant persona. Even if you do not go out and socialize all the time, whenever you go, you tend to attract a lot of attention. Maybe your hair is colored purple, maybe or pink and purple or greenish, something of that sort. That attracts, like, something very quirky, out of the box about you, something that attracts a lot of people's attention, and people actually compliment you on the fact that how you carry your persona. You are a person who believes in celebrating life. You guys are celebrating the milestones of life, different milestones, and you guys are celebrating them, and people are complimenting you. A lot of you are probably buying your first house, first car. It could be your PhD, things that you're accomplishing which people never expected from you, of all people. The Lovers, you are the person who is, like, literally, the Lovers card literally tells me that you are that person who is, like, who gets a lot of attention. You have got no problem getting attention from people. So you are a person who does not hog the limelight because you don't have to. People give you attention left, right, center, just like that. Choose your own path, direction, guardian. People also compliment you that, you know what, this is a person who knows where they're headed towards, where they want to see themselves, like 5 years from now, 3 years from now, 10 years from now. You know, you are walking on the chosen path. Take time to reflect. You know what? Sense of self reflection is something that you have in you. People compliment you on that. But in spite of achieving so much, this person has not lost touch with ground, with reality. You are a very grounded person, a very matured and evolved individual. You are a very quiet and vigilant person as well. Some people might also call you an opportunist, but the thing is, what I'm seeing is you are very good at finding the gaps in the market and working on those. And And that is something that has given you a lot of success. A lot of you are business people, and that has given you a lot of success. That ability to find the gap in the market, birthing a new age. You're very ahead of your times. You're way ahead and way more determined in your life. I'm saying, like, you guys are so ahead in your life, like very ahead of your times. A lot of you could be working with like a techie, somebody working with cryptos, then maybe cancer researcher, those kind of like very not cutting edge, even bleeding edge technologies, and you're very good at that. People compliment you for what you bring on table. You dreams need a practical plan. As I said, Taurus can be significant. You are not just a dreamer, guys, you are a doer. You put in all the work on ground in order to make your dreams a reality. You have got no problem working day and night in order to make your dreams a reality. Also, Gemini can be significant. You guys speak really well. A lot of you are naturally have the gift of the gab, very eloquent. Maybe some of you fluently speak 2 3 languages with elan, and people really respect you for that. The world awaits you. I'm saying, you know what? People compliment you on the fact that you have the attitude of like, this is a new day, this is a new me, this is a new start. So you don't carry the baggage of your past all the time with yourself. You have a very fresh ideology. When people meet you in the morning, you can make people's day. You have that kind of like a flamboyance and vibrancy in your persona, which really people love you. You are very like, you are very motivating to a lot of people. Surround yourself with love. Literally, you are a very private, you have a social presence. At the same time, you are a very private person. People mostly know about you, but knowing you in person is not a very common thing. And you are very content with your own friends, maybe a pet, maybe your candles, your music that you love, your plants. Like, you are a very private kind of a person in general. Your private life and your social life are two completely different aspects, and in this hyper connected world, that is something people also compliment you on. There is a sense of enigma about you. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe and share. Guys, your each and every share, like, subscribe makes a ton of difference to me. So if you like my content, please hit the like button, subscribe and share. Namaste. Thank you.